Space is usually predictable.
NASA constantly monitors the skies, tracking thousands of known objects every single day.
Most of these objects move in predictable paths, until one didn't.
Its movement didn't match any known asteroid or comet pattern. At first, scientists believed it was a minor tracking error. But repeated observations confirmed something unusual was happening. The object appeared to slow down, then accelerate again. This behavior immediately separated it from ordinary space debris.
If you're interested in real NASA space discoveries like this, consider subscribing to stay updated.
NASA redirected multiple instruments to get a clearer look.
What they saw raised even more questions.
It wasn't perfectly round, and it wasn't tumbling naturally.
Light reflections suggested unusual surface properties.
At no point did NASA indicate an immediate threat.
Still, the object was added to a special observation list.
For now, it continues its silent journey through the void.
Some mysteries in space take years to fully understand.
And until more answers arrive, NASA continues to watch, quietly.
NASA analysts notice the object does not follow a predictable orbital path. Its movement appears irregular, unlike known asteroids or comets.
Multiple observatories are now focusing on the same target. The object's speed fluctuates without a clear explanation.
Scientists compare the motion to no known natural pattern.
Tracking data updates faster than expected.
NASA teams continue monitoring without drawing conclusions.
The object reflects light at unusual angles.
There is no immediate threat to Earth.
Still, the object remains under careful observation.
Simulations struggle to predict its next position.
Sudden course shifts raise new questions.
Additional scans are ordered to gather more data.
Its interaction with light appears inconsistent.
No single model fully explains the behavior. Each movement adds to the mystery.
More observation time is scheduled.
Its shape remains difficult to determine.
For now, scientists remain cautious and patient. The universe still holds many unanswered questions.
NASA scientists notice the object subtly altering its course without explanation.
Its speed fluctuates in ways natural objects rarely do. Tracking systems struggle to predict its next movement.
A sudden deviation raises new questions among researchers.
NASA confirms the object poses no immediate threat to Earth.
Thermal readings don't match known space debris patterns.
Its shape appears irregular, yet oddly balanced. Compared to known asteroids, its behavior stands apart.
NASA teams begin reviewing every possible explanation.
Just when patterns emerge, the object changes again. Its trajectory shifts, even in areas with no visible forces.
Predictive models fail to agree on its future course.
Unexpected reflections add to the mystery.
Historical data offers few similar cases.
Its motion remains steady despite environmental changes.
NASA increases observation frequency.
Over time, the movement becomes harder to explain.
Its journey continues through deep, unexplored regions.
For now, answers remain limited.
NASA continues to monitor the unknown.
What makes this object unusual is how it abruptly shifts direction, something natural space debris rarely does. NASA analysts notice these sudden changes during routine trajectory monitoring. Data shows movement patterns that don't match asteroids or comets.
Even more puzzling, the object's brightness changes without explanation.
NASA confirmed the object poses no immediate threat to Earth.
Ground-based and orbital telescopes were redirected for closer observation.
Infrared scans revealed unexpected energy fluctuations.
When compared to known objects, nothing behaves quite like this.
Some researchers suggest it may be a rare interstellar fragment.
Simulations suggest it may have originated beyond our solar system.
NASA stresses that investigations are still ongoing.
Its shape alone raises new questions. Tracking will continue for weeks to understand its behavior.
So far, no artificial signals have been detected.
Despite speculation online, there is no cause for alarm.
Space is vast, and mysteries like this are not uncommon.
Each discovery helps scientists refine how we understand the universe.
For now, the object continues its silent journey.
Events like this remind us how much remains unknown.
NASA will continue watching the skies for whatever comes next.
As the object moved farther away, direct observation became harder, but questions remained.
NASA teams began comparing this object with every known space anomaly recorded before.
Nothing in the database moved quite like this.
The object's speed fluctuated without any visible external force.
Despite its strange behavior, there was no immediate threat to Earth.
NASA chose transparency, preparing to inform the public without speculation.
Multiple space agencies around the world were asked to observe independently.
The goal was confirmation, albeit not conclusions.
A brief reflection revealed an unusual surface. Rough, but not chaotic.
Then, just as suddenly as it appeared, it was gone.
Disappearance doesn't mean the mystery is solved.
History shows that space still holds surprises beyond prediction.
For now, Earth remains safe and undisturbed.
But the search continues.
Somewhere out there, the object continues its journey. And someday, it may return, or something else may take its place. This is NASA Warnings, watching the universe so you don't have to.